Okay, so here I am, I'm logged in, I'm looking at a project page, and as you can see here, we've got like a heading title across the top here, a bit of a header. We've got our fixed navigation menu up here. We've got an image slider here, got a photo, and we've got different text areas here and here. So now, if I want to make changes to this page, I can just go up to Edit Post. And then I'll show you the DIVI Builder. So most of this will look like a normal WordPress backend, except for this area here called the DIVI Builder. And basically everything is in little sections or modules. So this hero section, this is that top area, the header, where we had the title of the page. So it's usually broken down into three. Each section is broken down into three areas. You have the blue bar, the green bar, and the grey bar. The grey bar is usually the actual content itself, and then the green is the cell around it, and then the blue is the absolute background around that. So for the hero section up here, if I go into the little settings cog here, this is where I will see where the text is. So we've got land care written there. That's just the title. So if I want to make any changes to that, I could change that and then press the tick. I'm not making any changes, so I'll press the X. So the next section down was the slider. So if I go into there, you can see my new slides are there. Again, it's the little settings cog to go in and view it. Now, I can actually overlay a title or put a button on those sliders, or I could put some general text there as well. The image is managed in one of two places. You can put an image or a video in there, but because I wanted it to go fit the full area, I've put that image in as a background. So when you're in here, you can change that image there with the setting cog. I could make the whole background just one color if I wanted to just click on that. I could make it a gradient, or I can leave it like it is as an image, and I can change various things about the image, where it is, and that sort of thing. So I'm not going to change anything there right now. We've got two slides in there. I could add another slide just by pressing this plus button, and then I'd go into the background. I'd press the image icon there, and then I would add a background image, and I can add any of these. Let's say I wanted to add this one. That's now in there. And if I make any changes to this page, I just need to go over to the right over here and press update. And wait till this finishes doing its thing. And then once it reloads here, I can just press on view post, which can just like when you update a normal WordPress website. So now our slideshow over here now has 3 images. So there's that third image I added there. Now I'll just show you where you would edit other areas on this page. So I go back into Edit Post. Now, so there was the slider area. So there's the image, the subheading, divider was the line, further info, that's those links which we've got further down, and then this one here is text. So if I click on the little cog, and you can expand this out to make it easier, there's all that copy that's down the main part of the page. So if I wanted to make any changes to that, let's say I wanted to change the font of this to larger or something like that, there's different settings there. If I want to make one word a link, insert the link, allows me to type in the URL, further settings for that as well if I wanted to open it in a new tab, or if I just want to link to another page within the same website, easy done. Okay, So the same here with this further info area. So they're all already links, but they're just set to link to nothing at the moment. So if I wanted to edit those, I just press the edit, and then I can type the URL in there where we want them to go. Okay, and then we hit update. Then view post. So that's just a general guide to making changes to a pre-templated sort of post page using the DIVI Builder. And just one more thing I'll just go through is these little modules here. So basically, if you wanted to change the order of any of these, that's what that icon's for. So I could move these links to the top above the image if I wanted to. Obviously we've covered that, that's the settings. Duplicate module is handy if you wanted to replicate something that you've got and just have it again. You might want to have two sliders or something like that. You just press that and you've got a second one. And then yeah, this icon there is the delete module, as you can see. And then we also have the save module to library. Say if you do something pretty fancy on this page and you want to be able to use it on other pages, you can save it to a library. And then there are other module settings as well, which you can explore at other times. And that's a general guide to editing a post using the DIVI Builder.